Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have a Galaxy S26 Ultra box, what is it called here? GooseBox they call it. So this one here is going to protect your Galaxy S26 Ultra. And look at that, it's got the holes for all your camera cutouts. It's got a extra little lip on it as well, you can see there. So if you put it down this way, you're not going to be putting it directly on the cameras, which is good. Got a little kickstand. These are nice. It's got a nice metal hinge to it too. So you can lay it down this way here if you're watching a video this way, or it'll stand up that way as well. Very cool. Got the MagSafe charging with a good metal piece in there. It looks like it's just embedded in it, so that'll be good. So it'll magnetize onto stuff. And it even has that little down one there, which kind of keeps it oriented correctly. Good. Got all the little buttons for the volume and on off and everything in the right place. Little hole up there. Even has the little lanyard holes on the side there. And you've got the places for charging and speaker and everything else. So really cool little case here. So if you need a case to keep your phone protected, I would suggest this one. Thumbs up.